Hi, this is Farshid with another video just for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solder a copper pipe with heat-sensitive components nearby. In this example, our sensitive part is the red disc seal, which is a plastic disc and a nitrile O-ring. This video assumes that you know how to solder a copper pipe. If you don't, please take a look at my video on how to solder copper pipes. Hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Here we go. Alright, let's get the torch ready to go. What I do is take a piece of cloth, soak it in water, and wrap the disc like that. And we're about 2 inches away from the heat. Okay, so make sure we got that wrapped with that wet cloth. These are 1-inch markers. I'm 2 inches away from where I'm going to do my soldering. And here we go. Let's see how it holds up after we're done with the soldering. I want to heat up the pipe. Then my adapter. A little bit more. A little more heat. Yeah, I think we're flowing now. And we should be all the way around. You can hear the towel over here sizzling, which is good. It's dissipating all of that heat, making sure it doesn't get to our disc. So I have another one here now. You don't want to cool down the joint too quickly, but I want to get close to it here. Again, we're about 2 inches away from the disc. And we'll take the pipe off here once it cools off and we examine our joint. There's a drip down here, which tells me that the gap between the pipe and our coupler here is filled. We're still a little warm here. We'll take a look at our disc and take a look at our seal, see how they held up. There it is right there. Everything's still intact. We'll take it apart and examine it. Yeah, this part of the pipe back here is nice and cool. This part here is cooling down. All right, let's take this off. This is 0, this is 1, and this is 2, and there's our red disc. Here's the red disc after the soldering was done. Here's the O-ring. Oops, just dropped it. And here's the O-ring after the soldering was done. And here's our soldering. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.